Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. Today we're going to go over how to automatically frame your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now this can be used rather than faffing about with the keyframes or the actual scaling size. This is automatically going to scale your aspect ratio to fit the aspect ratio of the timeline. So let's jump straight into it. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. My name is Jack.F, I'm a freelance video photographer and video editor. And if you feel like supporting the channel, go buy me a coffee, link in the description. If you want to see some of my other videos, check out the channel and subscribe if you want. So, how to automatically scale a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So we've got our clip here, and as you can see, it's a bit wonky now, we've got this blackness around it. So what we can do to automatically fill it up, what we can do, right click your clip on the timeline, scroll down to where it says scale to frame size and click scale to frame size. And what that's going to do is going to automatically bring your video back to the aspect ratio. This can be used if you've got a different aspect ratio for the actual timeline, but your clip is in vertical or horizontal, and your timeline is the opposite of that. Say your clip is in horizontal but your timeline is in vertical. It's going to automatically fit the frame perfectly. You can see that in my videos up there. I go over how to make vertical videos for social media. So this is just a quick way, instead of faffing around with scale, you know, I'm not trying to faff around with this going too wide, going too low or anything like that. Just right click and scale to frame size and it's going to automatically do it. But what you can also do, you can right click, if that doesn't work, you can come down to where it says set frame size. This is a little bit different, but it's kind of the same thing. It sets it to the frame size and brings it back to the normal ratio. Anyway guys, that was just a quick little tutorial on the channel. If you like what you see here, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you want to support the channel, link in the description, go buy me a coffee. And if you want to learn the basics of Adobe Premiere Pro, check that video up. There goes all the basics. How to import your footage, how to do the basic edits like the cut, the trim, replace some music or something, and then export it and use it on social media, whatever you want to do. And I'll see you on the next video.